What's up, beautiful people? Miss Gado here, back again with another video. First, let me take this opportunity and thank you so much for the continued support. And again, if you're watching this video and you've not subscribed, please consider doing so that we may go on this journey together. So as you can see, I'm in the kitchen with some spices behind me. I'm in the kitchen, so that means I will be preparing or rather sharing a recipe with you guys, and that recipe is all about crepes, or are they pancakes? Tell me down below in the comment section what you think about them. So it's just a simple recipe that you can use for breakfast or even for snacks. If you have guests, prepare that for them. So stay tuned. Make sure you share what you thought about the recipe with me. And yeah, let's get to the video. Let me begin by showing my ingredients. I have turmeric, some sugar, a glass of milk, and an egg. I also have some cooking oil and also self-raising flour. Your ingredients will be dictated by the number of people you're preparing them for, or rather the servings that you have. In this case, I was just preparing the crepes for a small number of people. So I'm adding my sugar to the egg, and then I added some milk and turmeric, and then mixed them up. I added my flour in bits so that I achieve the best consistency of the mixture. Mix them well together. My mixture was so light, so I opted to add some more flour. And then it's like I made a bad decision, so it got tough. I added some more water on the same. Again, if you don't like milk, you can still use water on your crepes or pancakes, so you can opt for any of the two. In this case, I have used both. After that, I am adding my oil in the mixture. I prefer adding my oil in the mixture and skip that on the pan. Mix them well to ensure they marry in well. And my mixture is now ready with the best consistency, so we proceed to the pan. You can use any spoon here, a soup ladle, a serving spoon, to ensure that all the crepes are of a similar size. Because the spoon collects a certain or a uniform amount of mixture for all the crepes. To know your crepe is cooking, or rather your pancake, you'll see the bubbles popping. After they all pop, you can turn or flip over. Another hack, that if it's your first time preparing the crepes and you don't want to get discouraged, please add some oil on the pan for the first one so that it does not stick on the pan. Repeat the same procedure for all. You can see the bubbles popping, and our pancakes are cooking well, as you can see. On to our final piece, so that we can enjoy our breakfast. Look at the outcome. So satisfying. Some people use honey on them, others some syrup, and also you can use fruit jam. Apply it on one of the sides and then roll it and enjoy it with your coffee, your tea, or anything. Yeah, that's it guys. Thank you for watching the video. Ensure you subscribe, like, and share the recipe with others so that we may all enjoy. Thank you.